Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Collins. Today we're talking about a very special topic, so listen to my words carefully. Have you ever woken up at dawn feeling like your body is running on empty? No spark, no drive, no strength in your mornings? It happens to so many men after 40, 50, even 60. But here's the thing. There's one simple habit you can do before breakfast that can completely flip that switch back on. It's not a pill. It's not some supplement. And it's definitely not a gimmick. This is something your body naturally responds to. A small but powerful action that wakes up your hormones, restores circulation, and brings back the energy you thought you'd lost forever. For decades, I've helped men over 50 rebuild their vitality naturally. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to help you understand your body the way it deserves to be understood. And here's the truth. Your body still remembers how to perform at its best. It just needs the right signals to wake it up. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a morning routine that's simple, free, and backed by science. 7 steps that can reset your testosterone, sharpen your focus, and restore that unstoppable morning energy. And the final step, wait for it, ties everything together. That's the secret that keeps your body producing testosterone all day long, naturally. Stay with me till the end. Take a few notes, and let's start rebuilding your energy starting tomorrow morning. Before we dive in, think about your own mornings. How do you feel right now? Dragging, tired, low on drive? Or are you still somewhat charged? I want you to really notice because by the end of this routine, that answer will change. Most men assume that fatigue, weaker erections, or low energy are just part of aging. But let me tell you something, it's not age, it's chemistry. Your body operates on hormones, circulation, and nerve signals. When any one of these slows down, everything else follows. After 50, testosterone naturally drops about 1% each year. That translates into less muscle, slower metabolism, lower libido, and belly fat that stores estrogen instead of burning it off. And it's not only hormones. Your blood flow changes too. The vessels that carry oxygen to your heart, brain, and yes, even your sexual organs begin to stiffen. Less nitric oxide, less circulation. That's why morning erections fade. It's not desire, it's blood flow. You're still fully capable, but your system needs a reset. Think of it like owning a high-performance car with a clogged engine. The power is still there, you just need to clean the pipes and fire up the engine again. And the good news? You can restore this naturally. No prescriptions, no magic potions. Your body wants to repair itself. You just need to give it the right signals with simple, daily habits that turn your hormonal switch back on. This routine, these 7 steps, reset your system from the inside out. They improve circulation, balance hormones, and restore energy at its source. And it all begins the moment you open your eyes. So tomorrow morning, before you even think about coffee, get ready to take your first step toward regaining your vitality. Now that you're awake, the very first thing your body needs isn't coffee, it's water. Not just any water, filtered water with a slice of lemon. Sounds simple, right? But this one small habit can jumpstart your entire hormone system. When you've been asleep, your liver has been working all night, flushing waste and balancing your hormones. Lemon water tells your body, wake up, it's time to clean house. The citric acid in lemon activates enzymes that help your liver release toxins. And there's a powerful compound called naringin that supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and helps your body process testosterone more efficiently. Think of it like this. Your body is an engine. If you pour dirty fuel in first thing in the morning, performance drops. But start with clean fuel, hydration, minerals, natural acids, and you're literally setting your metabolism on fire. Within days, you'll notice less bloating, sharper focus, and better energy, all before breakfast even hits your stomach. Over time, this simple ritual helps regulate cortisol, lower inflammation, and improve circulation, even to the areas of your body that need it most. Tomorrow morning, before you check your phone, head to the kitchen. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of filtered water. Take slow, mindful sips. Feel it hit your system. That's your first win of the day, a signal to your body that you're in control, choosing balance instead of burnout. Once your body is awake from the inside, it's time to wake it up on the outside. Step outside and get some sunlight. No sunglasses, no phone, just you and the morning light. The first 5 to 10 minutes after you wake up are golden. Sunlight hitting your eyes signals your brain that the day has begun. It shuts down melatonin, the sleep hormone, and triggers a gentle rise in cortisol. And here's the trick: that early cortisol spike isn't bad. It actually kickstarts testosterone production. Your body uses light to set its hormone rhythm for the day. Studies show that men who get morning sunlight have higher testosterone, better sleep at night, and sharper focus throughout the day. Testosterone is built on rhythm. When you fix your light rhythm, you fix your hormone rhythm. So tomorrow, while sipping your lemon water, step outside. Feel the warmth on your skin. Close your eyes and let your body align with the day. That's your second win, your natural hormone reset. Next, we move to something ancient yet scientifically validated: alternate nostril breathing. This is one of the fastest ways to boost circulation, lower stress, and support stronger, longer-lasting erections. Sit up straight. Close one nostril with your thumb. Inhale slowly through the other. Hold for a second, then switch sides. Exhale and repeat for 2 to 3 minutes. It may look unusual, but inside your body, it's pure science. This breathing raises nitric oxide levels, the gas your blood vessels use to relax and open. More nitric oxide means better circulation, lower blood pressure, and improved oxygen flow to vital organs. It also calms your nervous system, drops cortisol, and allows your hormones to communicate more efficiently. The result? A calmer mind, better focus, and improved blood flow from head to toe. Men in their 60s have told me they sleep better, think clearer, and perform better just from adding this 2-minute habit to their mornings. Here's the next step, and it's one most men overlook: delaying breakfast. Many of us eat the moment we roll out of bed, but your body is still in repair mode. It hasn't finished processing what's left from the night before. Eating too early, especially sugary foods, interrupts that natural fat-burning cycle. Instead, push your first meal back a few hours. This allows your body to switch from burning sugar to burning fat, a process called metabolic flexibility. This shift is a game changer for men over 50. Studies from Harvard and the New England Journal of Medicine show that intermittent fasting improves memory, lowers inflammation, and boosts testosterone production. Why? Because excess belly fat converts testosterone into estrogen. Burn the fat, rebalance your hormones, and you feel the difference in energy, focus, and drive. I've seen it over and over in men in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s. Within weeks, they notice a leaner midsection, steadier energy, and a stronger sense of vitality. You're not starving yourself, you're teaching your body to burn smarter. Start by delaying breakfast until around 10 or 11 a.m. Hydrate. Move a little. Let your metabolism fully wake up before you feed it. When your blood sugar stays steady, your testosterone stays stable. Less crash, more focus, more power. Think of fasting as your body's built-in reset button. It's not deprivation, it's optimization. Next comes a step that might surprise you: gratitude. It's not a supplement or a workout, but it literally changes your brain chemistry. Take a minute each morning to write down 3 things you're grateful for. Big or small, it doesn't matter. Maybe it's your health, your spouse, your morning walk, or simply having another day to live fully. This practice releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals that boost motivation, focus, and hormone balance. Gratitude also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that blocks testosterone production. Men who practice gratitude regularly show lower blood pressure, stronger immune systems, and better sexual performance. Go one step further. Send a quick text or voice note to someone you appreciate. Tell them they matter. Your nervous system responds by shifting into a rest and repair state, the same state where testosterone naturally rises. Confident men are grateful men. They're calmer, stronger, and more magnetic, not pretending, but because their chemistry aligns with their emotions. Once your mind is calm and your emotions balanced, it's time to train your brain to see yourself the way your body wants to feel: strong, confident, energized. Your brain doesn't distinguish between vivid imagination and reality. When you picture yourself standing taller, moving with power, thinking clearly, your body releases dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine, the neurochemicals that drive motivation, focus, and performance. Take just 1 minute each morning to visualize. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and see yourself lean, sharp, and confident. Feel it in your body. That version of you, the energetic, capable man, is still there underneath the fatigue, stress, and years of pushing through. Visualization isn't fantasy, it's science. The more vividly you imagine success, the more your brain wires itself to make it real. That's how athletes train, and it works just as well for men's health and vitality. Now, it's time for the final physical step, and this one ties everything together. I call it the horse stance. It's simple but powerful, used for centuries in Eastern medicine and martial arts to awaken blood flow, strengthen the pelvic floor, and reactivate male energy. Science now confirms why it works so well. Stand with your feet wider than your shoulders. Bend your knees slightly like you're sitting on an invisible horse. Keep your back straight, chest open. Gently swing your arms back and forth, relaxed and controlled, for about 2 minutes. You'll feel your breathing deepen, your core engage, and warmth building in your hips and lower abdomen. This movement increases circulation to the pelvis, improves prostate health, and activates your lymphatic system, your body's natural detox pump. This step also naturally boosts testosterone because it stimulates the muscles responsible for strength, posture, and sexual performance. It grounds your body and restores a sense of masculine energy. Most men lose the connection between breath, muscle, and focus as they age. This simple practice brings it back. 2 minutes a day can help you feel steady, strong, and alive. Now, let's bring all 7 steps together. Start your day with lemon water to hydrate and kickstart your liver. Step into morning sunlight to reset your hormones. Follow with alternate nostril breathing to improve circulation. Delay breakfast to burn fat and optimize testosterone. Practice gratitude to lower cortisol and lift your spirit. Visualize the confident, energized version of yourself. Finally, do the horse stance to awaken circulation and male energy. These aren't tricks, they're foundational habits for men over 50. Do them consistently for a week, and you'll feel a shift. Do them for a month, and you'll see changes in energy, focus, and performance. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. It can mean mastery. Set a small plan. Start with the first 3 steps tomorrow. Your health is not just about living longer, it's about living stronger. Each sunrise is another chance to rebuild your power, and now you have the tools to do it.